Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, in this video, I am going to show you how to enable the hardware information cards in the Windows 11 settings. The change is hidden in the beta channel build 22635.4660. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your browser and download the Vive tool from the github.com website. Then extract the downloaded file to the System32 folder of your PC. After extracting the file, run command prompt as administrator and execute the following command. After executing the command, you will have to restart your PC, in order to see the changes. After you restart your PC, go to the System tab in the Settings app. In the About section, you will now be able to see the hardware information cards of your PC. So, that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.